I'd like to welcome you to the GROWMARK Stuart terminal. This is our new state-of-the-art facility. It will be operated on a day-to-day basis, even though it's owned by GROWMARK. Agarland will be our day-to-day manager here. I'm standing here with Jeff Miller, who will be our day-to-day manager, along with Curtis Hogeson. This facility can store about 15,000 ton worth of dry fertilizer. How that's broken up, there's two larger bins that store about 7,000 ton worth of product. Most of that product will be white potash or a phosphate. The other smaller bins can hold about 600 ton worth of product in each of those 5 different bins. Those products will range depending on the time of year. Fall, they may have different products than they'll have in spring. Those products will be ammonium sulfate, Pel lime, urea, and those will be stored in the different bins there. Most of the product that comes into this facility, into the Stuart facility, will come in by rail car. We can hold about 18 rail cars at a time. The system is designed to unload at about 400 ton per hour. With that speed and 100 ton per rail car, we should be able to unload about 4 rail cars an hour, which is a very efficient and effective way to be able to unload. Product will be stored in these bins. A customer will come in. We will put them in product in the hoppers here, which will hit the conveyor, go to our leg, into the overhead 30-ton hoppers that we have located outside the facility. The nice part about this facility is it's almost all automated. Everything is done by computer. The orders come in by computer. The conveyor and the blender and the overhead hopper is all controlled by computers, and the billings is all done by computers. So as far as staff here, for a facility this size, we only have to have 2 staff members because of all the automation. So very state-of-the-art facility, and very proud to have this facility to service Agarland, one of our main GROWMARK customers.
Let's go on inside there and take a look there.
Sure. As we walk into the bin here, this is about a 7,000 ton bin. This bin will hold white potash, which will be our first order that will come into this facility. As you can see up top there's a conveyor that runs all the way along the top. The tripper can be stopped at any point along there, so you can fill this bin to full capacity, which is again about 7,000 ton worth of product, and we're hoping to be able to store that much. So product comes in again by rail car. Rail car will dump into the pit that's located outside of the facility, goes through the conveyor system up top to the conveyor up top, and will dump into the bin. So it's a pretty very nice system to be able to have.
And first load's coming in?
First load is coming in the Monday after Thanksgiving. We're going to bring in about 500 ton worth of product, which is about 5 rail cars, to be able to test the system and make sure that everything is running correctly.
And could you introduce yourself for me, please?
Yeah, I'm Brian Hunman. I am the GROWMARK Plant Food Operations Manager. I'm in charge of all the wholesale and some of the retail facilities for GROWMARK.